Start. Yes, hello everyone. Welcome to Swiflearn, India's most sincere learning destination for class 1 to 10. In Swiflearn, we have 100% live and interactive classes. Personalized attention will be given to each and every student where the maximum batch size is 6 students. A dedicated academic mentor will be allotted to track and work on your progress. We also cover syllabus as per your school examination schedule, and also we handle custom requirements. Our key features is we provide you with a detailed progress report card on monthly basis. Students can take Swiflearn academic test series, a scholarship exam conducted every Sunday from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Students can take unlimited practice tests, and all these practice tests are subjective as well as objective in nature for your school examination. So students, those are new, book a free trial class today. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon so that you will never miss any update. I'm Shashank Sir, and today I'm going to teach you a new chapter, triangles, and its properties. So today's objective will be introduction of a triangle. What is a triangle? What are its properties and all these things we are going to learn in the upcoming classes. Medians of a triangle and altitude of a triangle. So all these three concepts will be our today's objective, learning objective. So the minimum number of lines to form a closed figure. Students, कितने लाइंस चाहिए मिनिमम एक ज्योमेट्रिकल फिगर फॉर्म होने के लिए? अगर एक लाइन ड्रॉ करते, इट इज कॉल्ड एज अ लाइन. इट इज नॉट अ ज्योमेट्रिकल फिगर. We can't draw two lines and make a geometrical figure. So if we draw three lines and close it, we form a triangle. At least three lines are required to form a closed figure, and the closed figure thus obtained is called as a triangle. Okay, so triangle, in triangle there are three sides, A, B, and BC and CA. Also, there are three angles, angle A, angle B, angle C. Yes, and also there are three vertices, which is A, which is B, and C. Angle, this thing is known as angle BAC. Yes, so there are three angles, angle BAC, angle ACB, angle CBA. Yes. Okay, so triangle has three sides, three vertices, and three angles, internal angles. The side opposite to a vertex A is BC. The side opposite to vertex B is AC, and the side opposite to vertex C is AB. The red color area is the interior of the triangle, whereas the green color is exterior of the triangle, and the black line represents body, a boundary of the triangle. Okay, so where do you see triangular objects? Okay, road sign में देखते हैं, hotels में, decorative items में. Okay, so huts and all. Okay, a few examples where we see. Okay, so the Flatiron building in New York is shaped like a triangular prism. So there is a building called as Flatiron building. Its shape is triangular prism. Okay, now classifications of triangles. How do you classify triangles? Triangles can be classified based on their sides and based on their angles. Yes, triangles can be classified on their sides as, okay, scalene triangle, isosceles triangle, and equilateral triangle. If all the sides have different measurements, this is 7, this is 6.3, this is 5, all the three dimensions are different dimensions, then this is called as scalene triangle. A triangle having two equal sides is called isosceles triangle. Now, these two sides, if they are equal and the base or some other side is different, that is called as isosceles triangle. And equilateral triangle, what is an equilateral triangle? A triangle having all three sides equal and is known as equilateral triangle. If this is 6.8, all the other two dimensions should also be 6.8. So this is a equilateral triangle. Triangles classified on basis of their angles. A triangle having angle less than 90 degree. If one of the angle is less than 90 degree, okay, then that is a acute angle. A triangle with angle of 90 degree is right angled triangle. Right angled triangle. So see, this is 90 degree. Okay, this is 90 degrees. So this is right angled triangle. What about the others two sides? Should they be same? Okay, it depends. If it is same, it's okay. If it is not same, then also okay. All that matters is the angle should be 90 degree. Yes. A triangle having greater than 90 degree, if one of the angle is greater than 90 degree, then it is called as obtuse angle triangle. Okay, let me draw a proper diagram of obtuse angled triangle. Obtuse angle triangle. ये वाला देखो. One of the angle is more than 90 degree. This is obtuse angled triangle. Yes. Okay, now test yourself. Let's test. Let's do this. Let's play this game. Okay, classify each according to its side and angle. Okay, according to sides. Okay, now this two sides they are same. Okay, this is completely like if you calculate this using Pythagoras theorem, so 49 plus 49 you will get 249, so 7 root 2 aega. Okay, so two sides are equal, two sides are not, one side is not, so this is isosceles triangle. Based on side, it is isosceles triangle. All the sides are equal. This is equilateral triangle, and all the sides are different. It is scalene triangle. Now, based on angle, this is 90 degree. It is right angled triangle. All the sides are equal, so equilateral. All the interior angles are also same. Sides are also same, which is equal to 60 degrees. So this is acute angle triangle. And see this figure, you can see the angle is more than 90. Kaise sir? Okay, so if you draw a perpendicular line, this is 90 degrees, this is 90 degrees, it is more than 90. So this is obtuse angled triangle. Okay, so this is equilateral based on angle, it is acute angle, and this is obtuse angle. Understood? Yes guys. Next thing, yes, interesting fact. Okay, if your hands are smelly like onion smell, or you're having garlic smell, you touch some steel pipes or steel item, okay, a fresh one, okay, stainless steel, so the way the odor will go. Let's move the topic to median of a triangle. Now, what is this median or medians of a triangle? Okay, now let us consider this line BC. In the previous class, we have learned how to bisect a line, okay, with the radius more than half. Keep the compass here, draw two arcs. We can draw a bisector, and while drawing the bisector, we get a midpoint. This is the midpoint of that. Okay, let me change the color. So yes, this is the midpoint which you will get. Now, if you join this midpoint and vertex, okay, of the opposite vertex to the side BC, you get a median. Okay, so bisecting the line BC gives us midpoint. The line connecting the opposite vertex BC with its midpoint, okay, D, so they are naming this midpoint as D, is called median of the triangle AD. Okay, and AD is median of the triangle, and AD is this median. Okay, understood? What is median? वर्टेक्स एंड अपोजिट साइड मिड पॉइंट को जो लाइन ज्वाइन होता है उसको हम बोलते हैं मीडियन. सर कैन वी ड्रॉ मोर देन वन मीडियंस? यस ऑफ कोर्स यू कैन ड्रॉ थ्री मीडियंस. देखो, vertex B and midpoint of AC, this is also one median. This we have already drawn. Vertex C and midpoint of AB. So totally we can draw three medians. Yes. Now, is more medians are possible in triangle ABC? Yes, we just now discussed. So CE, BG are also medians of triangle ABC. Yes. Let's visualize how this triangle is, how the medians are formed. Okay. Okay. Let it load for a while. Yes. Now it is telling slide me. I have slide. So the median, see here, midpoint. When you get the midpoint, vertex and midpoint joining is known as median. Yes, guys. Okay. Back to the lesson plan. How many medians are possible in a triangle? Obviously, we studied it. There are three medians possible in a triangle. Yes. Can a median stay outside a triangle? If yes, draw the figure and explain. Okay. Median, what is median? Line joining vertex and midpoint of the opposite side. Midpoint कभी भी triangle के अंदर ही होगा, right? So no matter what type of triangle you draw, midpoint will be always inside the triangle. So median cannot be outside the triangle. Yes, if yes है, yes ही नहीं है भाई, हमारा no है. Okay? Yes. No, median will always be interior of the triangle. Yes. Let's move to the new topic, altitude of a triangle. Okay. How do we measure height of any triangle? Okay. So we need to draw a line perpendicular, okay, to the base or some side of the triangle such that it passes through the opposite vertex. Okay, so this is how we measure height. Now altitude of a triangle, the height of a triangle will be the distance AP. AP is perpendicular to CB. The line segment AP is the altitude of a triangular BC. Okay, so BC hai, we should draw a perpendicular line so that it also passes through A. So that is known as altitude of a triangle. And altitude is a line segment drawn from the vertex of a triangle to the opposite side of that vertex. PS is the altitude of the triangle PQR. Okay, now click here to visualize the altitude. Let's visualize the altitude. And there are a few questions. Okay, so this is a triangle. Okay, vertex and opposite side को perpendicular draw करना है. Yes. Sir, ये तो बाहर आ गया, आने दो. What does it matter? Nothing. It doesn't matter whether it's inside the triangle, outside the triangle. Altitude is altitude. It should be perpendicular to the base and pass through the vertex. Okay. So yes. Now draw all the altitudes of right angled triangle and obtuse angled triangle. Okay. Let me draw an altitude of a right angled triangle. Okay. Okay. The first one, right angled triangle. Draw a right angled triangle. Okay. And draw a obtuse triangle. I drew an obtuse angled triangle. Now altitude. What does altitude say? Okay. Vertex. Let me name this triangle as ABC. And this is DEF. Now draw a line. Okay, I'm going to choose a different color so that you will understand. Draw a line, okay, passing to the vertex and opposite side. To the opposite side it should be perpendicular. ये perpendicular है? नहीं है, नहीं है, नहीं है. Yes, this is perpendicular. अरे ये तो AB है. It is overlapping on AB. So AB is the altitude, one of the altitude. Same with BC. Okay, you tilt your head like this a little bit. So BC is also an altitude, and this one, see here, passing through B and perpendicular to the opposite side. I'll name it as X. Okay, so BX is, So it is having three altitudes, which is AB, BC, and BX are the three altitudes. What about this diagram? D is here, okay, and you extend, okay, just make some geometrical constructions, extend this line, okay. Now with D as a vertex and draw a line perpendicular to EF extended, okay. So this you name it as X. So DX is perpendicular to the triangle DEF, okay. So what about one more? Okay, draw like this. This should be perpendicular. So EY is altitude. Okay, EY is perpendicular to DF. So EY is one of the altitude. Okay, and drawing this is also easy. The one more thing, extend this line. Okay, and draw a perpendicular. Yes. Not to get confused with this. Dx, Dy, and this is Z, Fz. These are the altitudes for the triangle ABC and for the triangle DEF respectively. Okay. See, we have drawn this. How many altitudes are possible in a triangle? Three triangles. Three altitudes are possible in a triangle. Yes. Name AK and AL in the triangle ABC. Okay. So AK. Okay. So actually they should have shown like this. So AK is a perpendicular to CV. So AK is altitude or height and AL is the median. Yes, correct guys. You have 50 biscuits. How many times can you subtract 5 from 50 biscuits? Okay, so this is the challenge. So 50 biscuits. How many times you subtract 5 from 50 biscuits? Okay, what is the trick? It can't be 5 times of 50. We can subtract 10 times. If not that easy, so think about this. We will discuss in the live class. Can altitude and median be same for a triangle? Explain. Okay, if it is a right angled, no, if it is an equilateral triangle, then altitude and median can be same. Okay, if there is isosceles triangle, not all the altitudes but one median and one altitude can be same. And if it's scalene triangle, altitude and median may be same, may not be same, depending on the diagram you draw. Yes, so equilateral triangle. देखो here, I'm going to draw an equilateral triangle. Yes. This is the median, vertex and opposite side midpoint, and altitude also vertex and perpendicular to the opposite side. Yes, so altitude and median can be same for equilateral triangle. Draw PQRS. QS and altitude is an exterior of the triangle. Draw a triangle PQRS. QS is an altitude in the exterior of the triangle. Okay. QS. So how to draw this? Okay, QS बता दिए है, exterior altitude draw करना है. So mark this point as Q. Okay, and draw the triangle PQ. P Q and QS is an, okay, this is straight line, this is dotted. QS is an altitude exterior of the triangle. Yes. Okay, so that's all for today guys. What did we learn today? So we learned introduction of triangles, we learned median of a triangle, we learned about altitude of a triangle. So what is a triangle? A triangle is a geometrical figure having three sides, three vertices, and three interior angles. Okay, how many maximum altitude can a triangle have? 3. How many maximum medians can a triangle have? 3. Okay, are medians, can we draw medians outside the triangle? Not possible. Can we draw altitudes outside the triangles? Possible, depending on the triangles for which we are drawing. That's all for today, guys. And students, those who are new, if you have liked this video, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon so that you will never miss any update. I'm Shashank Sir signing off. Bye bye. Have a nice day.